Okay, starting with numerical number 13, unsolved. Two sound waves travel at a speed of 330 meter per second. So we have the speed that is 330 meter per second. If their frequencies are identical and are equal to 540 hertz, both the waves have same frequency, that is 540 hertz. What will be the phase difference between the waves at point? Okay, they are asking about phase difference. This delta means difference at point 3.5 meter from one source. So the distance is 3.5 meter from one source and 3 meter from the other source. 3 meter from the other source. If the sources are in phase, both the sources are in phase. So V is equal to n lambda. So from here we can find out the lambda, that is lambda will be V upon n. V is 330 and n is 540 is equal to lambda. 0 0 gets cancelled. Let this be as 33 upon 54. Now what is the formula for phase? It is 2 pi x upon lambda. Now here we are talking about phase difference, and the difference in which quantity we have, that is distance. So it will be at place of x, it will be difference in distance. So it is 2 pi delta x. Delta x is difference, that is 3.5 and 3. Will subtract 3.5 minus 3 upon lambda. Whichever will be greater, will be subtracting greater minus the smaller one. So 2 pi 3.5 minus 3 gives me 0.5 and lambda is 33 upon 54. That 54 will be in the numerator. Now let's start our calculation. It will be 2 into 0.5. Okay, chalo. 2 pi. Let make this 0.5 as 5. So we'll have 10 in the denominator and this 33 and here 54. So 2 5s are 10. So this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. Now we have pi. 54 upon 33. Let's do the cancellation for 54 upon 33. It will be 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 20, no, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So it is pi 18 upon 11. Now pi 18 upon 11, we have to 11 ones are 11. What remains? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 7 remains. Point, it becomes 70. 11 6 are 66. 4 remains. 40. 11 3s are 33. 7 remains. 70. 11 6 are. So we'll stop over here. It will be 1.6. Okay, now let's cancel because it is greater than 5. It will come plus 1 over here. So it will be 1.64 and this pi is the phase difference. This will be the phase difference, that is 1.64 pi. Okay.